What's up, guys? You just entered into the Homegirl Vanity. I'm your homegirl, Jada, J Bay, whatever you want to call me.
Right, shimmer, lights, flicker, all this, light, let it shimmer. I had to glow up, I had to show up. I got the light now, check out my glow up. Right.
In this video, we are going to be talking about 5 things you need to know before you beat that face, that canvas of y'all's. Disclaimer, this video is not for homeboys. This is more targeted towards my girls. I love y'all so much. Boys, y'all not gonna be left out though, so just stay tuned for the next videos of the other low Christian. So let's get on into the video. So I got my iPhone cell phone so that we can talk about some things, because I'm not gonna remember everything, right? Okay. Number 1 things to know before you beat your face is that you need to remember that your confidence comes from God, not in the way that you beat your face, honey. Because if you mess up your makeup, how you think you're gonna be thinking about yourself? What's the first thing that you say? I'm ugly. No, baby girl, you're not ugly. You just didn't blend. In reality, your eyeliner, you just messed up. It's okay, you're not ugly. All right? Listen to me. I know, because lashes is the worst thing in life. I hate doing them. You will compare yourself to other gurus, makeup artists that have been doing it for a while now, have been practicing. It's okay. If you are comparing yourself to other people or find yourself comparing yourself to other people, that means your confidence was never in God. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Number 2 things you need to know before you beat that face. You don't have to do it because everyone else is doing it. I know it's a hype right now. Everybody want to beat their face to the gods. Everybody want to be cute, but you already cute. If you like that natural look, go ahead and do it. Do that natural glow, because I do it during the week because I don't go nowhere but work at night. But it's okay because we both cute though, so whatever. Number 3, is it 3? Right. Do it because you want to do it. If you like makeup, do it because you want to do it, not because you out here trying to be like everybody else. Do it because you want to do it, because you want to show your face every day. Okay? Hashtag extra, hashtag the extra life chose me, hashtag chosen. Number 4, makeup is a hobby, not a necessity. Baby girl, that's self-explanatory. And number 5, the last one, is drugstore makeup. Baby girl, save them coins. Hashtag in between blessings. Hashtag save them coins. Do it for the coins. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all learned something from this. And if you want to learn more about drugstore makeup and where you can get the most affordable makeup, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay lit. Bye, homegirls.